Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to resize an image in Photopea to a specific size. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software. Then we go to the file menu. Select the open and place option. Then choose an image from our file. Now I am select this image and click open. Now we can see here the image. Now you want to change the size to a specific size. At first select the image layer, then press Ctrl T. Now we can see here the height and the width option. Now I am select the height and width and change the height and width to this specific size. Now I am press 30 and we can see we change the size specifically easily. You can change another size. Now I am make 15. We can see we change the size of this image specific easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.